This is Flip TV News. The Debt Management Office has cautioned state governments across Nigeria to strictly comply with the Fiscal Responsibility Act when seeking loans. The Director General of the DMO, Ms. Patience Oniha, gave the warning in Abuja on Tuesday during a borrowing workshop for officials of state government. According to her, responsible borrowing and strict adherence to established laws are non-negotiable, stressing that the Constitution, the Fiscal Responsibility Act, and the DMO Act clearly spell out the requirements for assessing loans. Ms. Oniha explained that the workshop was designed to equip state officials with proper knowledge of debate recording, sustainability analysis, and the correct borrowing process to avoid delays and compliance issues. She noted that previous borrowing requests were often slowed down due to poor understanding of legal procedures, promoting the DMO to introduce targeted capacity building sessions nationwide. The DMO boss added that whether states are borrowing from commercial lenders or international institutions like the World Bank, the same legal process must be followed. She emphasized the ultimate goal is to ensure borrowed funds are used strictly for development projects with benefit citizens.